Hello, friends. We often wonder what it means to be really free, and sometimes we feel that the ability to do whatever we want, whenever we want, is what it means when it comes to freedom. A smartphone is one such thing that has given us a lot of freedom in the past decade or so, and we now literally have the world at our fingertips. But conversely, we are also chained to our devices. Everywhere you walk down the street, you find people looking down at their devices and endlessly scrolling as if there is no world in front to look at. This I find to be very distressing, and I noted that I myself was spending close to 3 hours every day on my smartphone. This is when I decided that I wanted to become free of this need to be next to a smartphone the entire day. I realized that a smartphone is in many ways a minimalistic device that allows us to do the work of a camera, a GPS, maps, email, looking up information, calendar, reminders, notes, and so on. So I did not completely want to eliminate my smartphone, especially because my office work requires me to have access to email, and I also wanted the access to maps whenever I needed it. Thankfully, my primary phone at the time was the iPhone SE, which is an extremely small phone and it weighs about 100 grams. So it's really light. So, what I figured is I took the primary SIM out of my iPhone and put it in a new phone that I purchased, and that phone is the Nokia 3310. I'm glad to report that with this change, I've been able to cut down on my smartphone screen time from 3 hours a day to close to an hour every day. Saving 2 hours every day has definitely made me more productive and happier. I've read about 3 books in the last 2 weeks, and I continue to spend my time more productively doing things that actually matter. And if I feel the need to talk to someone, I always have the phone to talk to them instead of sending them messages on WhatsApp or any other social media tool. And to people who wonder whether it's possible to live with a dumb phone in 2020, I think that the answer is yes, you can live with a dumb phone in 2020. Take care and goodbye.